What's going on? This is Saurabh. Welcome to this another video session on Python series. So in this video tutorial, we will be covering upon what are sets in Python. So what are sets? Sets are used to store multiple data in a variable, or you can say multiple items in a variable. I can store. So sets, like one more thing which is most important in case of sets, where you can't store a like duplicate data. For example, if you are storing one and again you try to store one, so it will not accept that, sorry, accept ACCEPT, accept that, because it does not allow any duplicate data to add in it. So let's create another lecture 10. In the previous video, like we covered upon LF. If you have not watched that video, like you can watch that video from the playlist section. If you are interested in the Hindi version of that, that will also be available in our YouTube channel column 2.0. Okay, so let's declare a set. Setting, how we can declare a set? You can use like s1 equal to set. Set is declared. Let's find the, what you can say, like let's find the type of the set. I can use like s1 to find the type of that. Let's run this using this run command which is available here. Okay, it's taking some time. You can say like class is set. So what can do, like what I can do, like I can declare some data in that. How I can declare data from this? Like what I can do, like what I can do one thing, like I can declare from the dictionary, or you can say like I can sorry, not dictionary. I was saying like I can declare it from the list. So let's create a list. Have some list MB, and I can declare a list like 1 comma 5 comma 7. Have this list, I have to declare what I need. I'm getting a set from this. So how can use the set? I have to use the set command, and now I have this list MB, and let me print the data as from MB. Okay, mouse is not working for some time. Like I got this like 157 which I declared in the list. I'm able to get it in the set as well. Now what I can do, like I can get the type of this. If you want to check the type of this, so you will get the type like a class set. So this is how you can declare a set in Python. One more thing, like you can use some other way as well. Like you can declare a empty set and then you can add the data into that. So let's do one thing. Let's comment out this thing. Let me write this s1 instead of s2. So have some add function like we had in the C# add function. Similar way here also I have some add function. I can use that to add any data like into the set. So I will be using here add 2. Added 2 here, and let me run this. So I got 2. What I can do, like s1 dot add, I can add 9. Let's add 9 here. So this is all, like I got 9 and 2. You can see it's adding in the difference order, like 2 and 9. So 9 will come first and then 2, like it's, and similar way, like if you do s1 dot add 3, it's also adding 9 to 3. It's adding in the random order, like it does not matter like which order it's adding, like because you can see like 2, I added 2, then I added 9, so I added at the top, but 3 is adding at the end. So it's a set. And one more thing, like if I try to add 9 again, we add the 9 again and run this. So again I am getting 923. I'm not getting the second 9 because it's not allowing the duplicates. It's not, duplicates are not allowed in the set. So this is how, like you can declare a set here. A set, and one more thing, like you can do the union here as well. I can do what I can do, like let me do one thing. Let's have a second set s1 dot union. I can declare some variables, like I can declare some data like 15 40 comma 55.
सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल को और दबा दे बेल बटन को एंड सेट इट टू ऑल फॉर फुल नोटिफिकेशंस.
To print S2 here, not the S1. What I can do, I can do one thing, S2 comma S1. Yeah, my mouse is not working. What the shit is happening? Like mouse is not working. Let's leave the mouse. Let me use the trackpad here. You can see like half the list: 2, 3, 5, 55, 49. You can like it choose to combine data, like whatever data like it's coming from the list, set 1 and set 2, it will merge that into one set. So I have 2, 3, 55, 49, 50, and you can see second to 9, 2, 3. Similar, you can add, like if I add 2 again here, but 2 will come only once, because repetitive data is not allowed here in set. And I can do the intersection as well, like what are the common things uh, that also you can use here. Intersection, I have some intersection. These are the commands which are available, like have from S2, like what is the common thing here. Common was from the both the sets was 2, so 2 was printed here, and this is the like S1 also, like we printed here. This is all you can do. That you can find the min, max, and that kind of stuff also you can find it, like from the S2. Let's find the min of S2. I think it's going to be 2 here. It's going to be 2 here. Similarly, like you can have some max function, you have some length function, which is used to find the length of it. That's the reason I was getting a S2, because it's the list only was the 2 hours there, but when you are doing intersection, so it will be a common elements will come. So like common element only the 2 was coming. That's the reason like I was getting a max also as a 2, but I changed it to union. Now I'm getting a 55. Like you can use a S1 dot. Like let's do one thing. Let me remove this kind of stuff here. S1 dot remove function is there, like 9. Let me remove the 9 and print 2 and 3 is there. It's remove 9. So you can remove the 9 data, like if you want, like remove 3, you can remove type it 3. This is all you can work with. Before winding up, just wanted to show you one more thing. S1 join is this join. Returns true if two sets are no intersection. So you can use this is disjoint. Let me type here H2. I think I don't have any common data, so I will be getting a 2 here, because here like I don't have any 4, 6 is there, second and it's there 2, 9, 3. It's not a common data. So like we can work with the sets, like you can have, you can use this set as well, like if you want in your program, like in some scenario, if there is some scenario in the in that case we can use this set. So I will meet you in this another video, where we will be covering upon some other topic. If you have not followed our data engineering course, or you can say you follow our web development course as well, like we have some other courses also running parallelly, so you can watch that series also. And most important, we are covering a project level exposure, giving a project level exposure, because in real time scenario how we are working, that only we are covering here, like in all the series, basic to advanced levels. So you can follow other series as well. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.